Yo, what's up, guys? We're gonna be unboxing this gift bag that we got. So
we got
this shirt. I'm wearing it.
Connor's already wearing it.
It has our numbers on the side. So
Yeah, 20
we're gonna win the championship, of course.
championship.
Yeah, the championship.
Hold up, guys. I can't. 26.
I'm number 4, of course.
And then
we got these cups.
these cups have these like soccer.
And then
We have like soccer cups.
and then these straws.
Oh crap! It's in there. And then we have some.
Can you guys stop yapping?
So we have some like Glowberry Prime.
Yeah, Glowberry Prime.
It's Timothy.
Timothy, chat.
And then we got
Timothy.
some Gatorade.
This isn't a sponsor. I promise.
We're not sponsoring, please.
Not sponsoring.
Don't sponsor us. And then
Water bottle.
we got
these headbands.
No. I am not gonna wear this in a game.
Why?
Do you ever think I'm gonna wear a headband?
No. Water bottles, please.
And
And
now
we got these Adidas water bottles.
this is gonna be chewed out by the time
This is bomb.
bomb.com.
Bomb.com.
And then
Oh yeah, thanks to all the parents who bought this stuff for us.
hold up.
Thanks
Hold up.
to all the soccer parents and on our team who bought this for us.
Literally none of them are gonna watch it.
True.
Hold up, watch out, hold up.
And then we got these Doritos spicy nacho.
Do you have other? Yeah, you should have other chips. We have other chips. We have like the same thing practically. Flamin' Hot and Doritos. Mini cheese balls.
Mini cheese balls, yeah, the mini cheese balls.
We have 2 little soccer balls. Oh crap!
I only got one.
You did?
Yeah, I only got one.
I have 2. Oh, well,
We got these soccer ball things.
okay, and then we have Nerd Gummy Clusters.
Nerd gummy clusters. 2 of them. Double.
Give us a second. We got these.
We got these fidget spinners.
I got pink. Light up.
Yeah, it lights up.
My bad, guys. Okay, I turned it off.
I got one extra at my house.
And then we have our
thing.
numbers.
It has our number on it. It's fire.
We have
Crap.
our little dog thing or whatever. I
A
don't
dog tag.
Dog
It says, inner strength makes the heart of a champion.
know. Connor, mine says believe in the impossible.
I guess they all say different things.
Yeah.
And then we got these stickers. This one says, soccer is my favorite season.
Soccer is my life.
My heart is beating for soccer.
We just got a bunch of stickers, and then we got like some like
Candy and
candy. We got
Pop Rocks.
soccer popsicle, pop rocks, and
Skittles,
that's
Starburst.
practically it.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching and,
Suck my balls.
don't do that. Please don't do that. And, bye and,
Have some fun.
have
Play
some fun.
soccer.
Play any sport you want, actually, and subscribe, please. Please, please.